Hey guys, welcome to Armidas Comidas and happy Thanksgiving for those that are joining me right now. I'm going to be doing a spiral ham. It's been requested by many, so I'm going to go ahead and do it recorded. It's a rainy day, so it's a little dark here, so I apologize for that. Let me turn on the light back here. Actually, it's on. This is about almost 30 pounds, close to 30 pounds. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is, make sure it's spiral because you wanna get into the crevices of the slices, what you're gonna be using. The ingredients I will be using are pineapple slices, and they have to be in its own juice, pineapple juice, 100%. I'll be using honey. I use Clover Honey, but you can use your favorite kind of, and this is 12 ounces. I'll be using pure sugar cane, brown sugar. You can use golden or dark, it doesn't matter, whatever your preference is. I will be using toothpicks, very easy, very basic. Another thing that I'm gonna be using, since I'm gonna be going over my brother's house and I have to worry about bringing everything back home, I bought these at the Dollar Tree. I love these so that we can discard them after. And another thing, you'll be using scissors to remove the plastic off the ham. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna move my items away, and I am going to go ahead and open it up in here because it does have a lot of juice in here. So and I forgot to mention something real quick. Make sure you have your oven preheated. I already did, at 300 degrees. So you'll be baking, so for every pound, it's 15 minutes at 300. Sometimes I do 350. I might change it, yeah, depending. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the plastic. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is just go ahead and have it, make sure that all that is open, and I'm gonna go open the sugar. I honestly don't have any exact measurements. I do it as I like it. I go. You could add more, you could add less, whatever you know, like I say to everybody, I don't always copy every recipe to the T. I do my own thing. That's just how I do it. And sometimes because I don't have those ingredients that they're asking me to. So I've opened up the sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the can. Of the pineapple. Okay. And then I am going to make sure I open up the honey. Sometimes I use all the honey, sometimes I don't use it all. Very simple, but yet my family really enjoys it. And then I have the toothpicks that I'll be using. Okay. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is, from the can, that's so simple, you guys. I am going to go ahead and pour the juice of the pineapple that's in the can. So try to get into the crevices, open up. Let me see if I can do it this way. Yeah, so you can see I'm opening them up. Move this to the side so I get to catch it. I try to get it all over the ham on top, because it does have a lot of juice in here. So remember, don't get the syrupy, get the one that has, it has its own juice, you know, natural, 100%. You pour it all over. Open up the ham. Just pour the juice. Nothing is wasted in this recipe. Okay, then what I'm gonna go ahead and do is juice, perfect. So then my next step is I'm gonna go ahead and add the honey. Very easy, guys. Such an easy recipe. But I promise you, a lot of people, it's like, why am I go pay for a honey bake when we could do it at home, right? A lot of us are on a budget, so this is perfect. So inside each crevice, as you're gonna be, let me see, it's hard to do it because the lighting isn't that great right now. It's been a rainy day today. So I am just pouring it into each of the slices. And that's all. This is such an easy recipe, but it's very delicious. You can make sandwiches after. Okay, you put it all over on top. And the crevices, because you want that honey to get in each of those slices in the crevices. I totally smother it. You don't have to do this. You can do half, whatever you like. Each person has his preference. This is my recipe, so this is what I like doing. So keep pouring it. And then you will smear it, and then you're gonna wash it. So I'm doing it all over, you guys, all over. I did it in the crevices. You can use the whole thing, or depending, sometimes I almost use all of it, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. Then I'm gonna go ahead, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be all gooey. Make sure you rub it in really well. You have it all over, you have it in the crevices and the slices. So now the next step is I'm gonna put the sugar. Okay, so the sugar, trying to squeeze it. You guys, I just use it directly from the packages. I don't get another bowl. I don't make it all fancy. This is real. So I kind of just make sure your sugar isn't old, because then it's gonna be hard for you. But make sure like you can squeeze it around. Press it, I should say. So I am going to go ahead and pour it all over. It's okay. And with one hand, you're going to be smearing. Again, you're going to go ahead and open. There we go. We're going to go ahead and open the turkey. The ham. I'm thinking of turkey. I love turkey. You're going to go ahead and put it in there. It's okay. Put as much as you like. I like a lot, so it works out really well. Okay. I am going to be putting it all over. I'm going to put it around. Look at it. It's okay. It's like going to be like a crust. So now I'm going to put some in the front. It's funny, my doggy. Sonny's just watching me. It's so cute. He's like, what are you doing, Mom? He's doing his little yoga right now as I prepare this ham. This is real life, so I'm telling you what's going on. So anyways, here is how it should start looking. You want it all covered. I put it in the crevices. Look at the side right there. Okay, looks good, you guys. Looks good. Okay, my next step is going to be, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the pineapple. So what I like doing is putting some on the front, and I use toothpicks. Push it on there. I don't use those cherry Maruchan, whatever they're called. Sorry, that sounds like top ramen, right? But whatever they're called, I don't like those. I've never liked them, so I don't put them in there. You could put them. Okay, I put them everywhere I can because I want the juices to go into the ham. Push them in. Then what I do, I put some on the back here too. I want that sweet pineapple juice to go into the crevices inside the slices. So you want that delicious taste of pineapple, or piña. Just keep doing it. Such an easy recipe, but oh, it's so good. I just picked, I know what, I think I've had honey baked ham one time or two. So I don't know. I picture it tastes like that. That's my thinking. Okay, so there it is. I keep putting them all over, you guys. Then every place I can find, even in the front, I put another one. And here there's a space. I will put these come with I'll count them right now how many slices. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited. And there's still more juice of the pineapple, so I still pour that on. Let me wash my hands. Okay, this is how it looks when you finish adding all the pineapple. Let me count how many. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, wait a minute. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 of them. So my next step is, like I said, make sure you preheat your oven. I'm gonna go ahead and use foil paper. And I'm going to cover, I'll make a little tent. I'll go ahead and put pineapple, the toothpicks down. Go ahead like a little tent. Sometimes toothpicks are going to be sticking out. It's fine, not a big deal. So, okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. Then I will let it show you the end result. So stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Armida's Comidas. Welcome to the finale of the ham. So let me show you. This is how my ham turned out, and hopefully yours turns out as like this too. You'll see there's a lot of like liquid on the bottom. It's a lot of the sugar has melted with the pineapple juice, and even the ham has its own, you know, juices. So if you like this recipe, it's my recipe, it's my version. My family seems to really like it. So if you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours.